You gotta go on the other side so you can see.
Savannah, what are you doing? Please get out of the refrigerator. Why are you in the refrigerator? But just because you're crying doesn't mean you stand in the refrigerator. Come out. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Get out of the refrigerator, please. Come on.
I'm throwing away this pasta. You're not getting it. Do you want this pasta?
No.
Do you want it?
I want it from the garbage.
I am. You're not gonna get it then. You'll be hungry.
Are you gonna stay out of the refrigerator now?
No, I can't make that pasta now. It won't taste the same. She wants me to make the same pasta. I can't make that right now. All right, I'll make you pasta. I'm not gonna taste the same. I gotta do all the whole